Are you ready to grow your $100 into something bigger? Then stock market might seem intimidating, but today I'll show you exactly how to start investing with just $100. And you don't need to be a financial expert to get started around. And by the end of this video, you will know where and how to put that $100 to work. If you're new to my channel, subscribe my channel, and if you watch me on Facebook, follow my Facebook page. So now the question is, why invest in the stock market? Why should even invest $100? Here's the thing, $100 in a savings account might grow by $1 a year if you're lucky, but in the stock market, you could potentially turn it into thousands over time. So the magic of the compounding. Historically, the market averages a 7 to 10% annual return. That means your money works for you while you sleep. And the next question is, what can $100 do in the stock market? Some people think $100 isn't enough, but it is more than enough to get started these days. Thanks to commission-free trading apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Webwool, you can start investing with as little as $1. Many platforms offering fractional shares, meaning you don't have to buy a whole share of expensive stock like Amazon or Tesla. You can own fraction of it. The 3-step plan to start investing with $100. Open an investing account. First, you all need an account to invest. Go to platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard and open a brokerage account. These platforms are user-friendly. Most of them have no account minimums or trading fees. Pick an investing strategy. Option 1. ETFs, exchange trading funds. With $100, you can invest in ETFs like VOO or SFY, which take the S&P 500, essentially buying a piece of top 500 US company. They gives you instant diversification and reduce your risk. Option 2. Individual stock. If you want to bet on a single company, research solid growth stock like Apple, Microsoft, or even emerging tech companies. Use tools like Yahoo Finance to check their performance potential. Option 3. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend paying stock like AT&T or Coca-Cola to get paid quarterly dividend. Essentially, earning money while holding your shares. Step 3. Automate and grow. Use your platform automation tools like reinvest dividend stock or set up recruiting invests. Even if you can add just $10 in a month, that will compound over time and grow faster than you'd imagine. Part 4. Common mistake to avoid. Before you dive in, here are some rookie mistakes to avoid. 1. Chasing trends. Don't just buy a stock because it's hyped on social media. Do your research. Investing money. You will need soon. Only invest money you don't need for it lasts 3 to 5 years. 3. Emotional discussion. The market goes up and down. Don't panic, sell when price drops. So remember, starting with $100 isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a foundation for your financial future. The key is consistency. Invest, learn, and let time to do its thing. So what you are waiting for? Download a brokerage app, fund your account, and start investing today. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, Mr. Fi, and let me know in comments what is the first stock or ETF you're investing in.